teeth. Somebody get the ow!
I can get it.
Yeah, get the cars.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, we're gonna turn it off. What is happening, you guys? I'm starting my vlog early today. It's like 7 o'clock. It's light outside because there's a lot of stuff going on in California right now. And, you know, we gotta be on the watch because we're not from California. Going to Walmart. You guys see we all looking a little crazy because, you know, we just had to get up and get out. Alright, you guys, so my mom and my sister went to Home Depot this morning because y'all know the wildfires are getting really crazy in California, and you know we gotta stay safe. We gotta get the freak out of here. Respiratory mask just in case the smoke comes, because remember yesterday in my vlog there was a bunch of smoke and it was really hard to breathe. So we're gonna look for better masks, but this is just for now, just in case anything happens where we're at. Fire extinguisher, I don't know why she got the fire extinguisher. It's not gonna do this is not gonna do nothing to nobody's fire. Y'all, do y'all see this? That is all of Ventura. That's how close I live to Ventura. That's probably like what, 30 minutes away. Alright, y'all, so we're at Walmart now and it is 7:30 a.m. so these vlogs are going to be up early today, maybe around like 12 o'clock, because I'm gonna be done like editing and stuff. This is my favorite place to go because, you know, I got everything. It is cold out here, but it's still really windy out here. Stay safe, y'all. Stay safe if you're in California. Is you cold? Again, I am in the makeup section at Walmart because y'all know I love my, oh, there goes my thing from yesterday's vlog. Mascara I use, and I used to use this foundation, but it's not.
Oh, we want. I know she wants this one.
I really want to get like a sweater. Oh, that's her dog. Cute. That's cute, y'all. No, no. I'm so tired. That was the tree that I wanted from the beginning, like the little frosted, like, see, that's frosted. This whole Walmart got freaking frosted trees. What, ain't nobody want a frosted tree? Like, that one is frosted, that one is frosted. Look at this, oh my god, that's orange. Y'all know that is an active fire going on right now. Look, this is crazy. That joint is like a orangish color, and then this black over there. It looks like an active fire is going on right now. And why does it look like we're getting closer and closer? This mom, I'm going to tell you guys statistics about what's happening in Portland. Go ahead, tell them. In Portland, Oregon? You heard that? Oregon. Oregon. Oh my god, this is crazy. Hold on, I gotta get this. Woo. What else? Where's the fire? You can't see the fire. You gotta look it up, see if they put it out yet. It looks like they put it out.
I can't see the fire.
It's so dark here.
We're gonna be